Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being tethered to a power cord while vacuuming? What a relief it is to have the KXX Cordless vacuum for Milwaukee M18 battery. This thing is a game changer. The KXX Cordless vacuum is portable, powerful, and guaranteed to make your cleaning experience a whole lot easier. With its patented US design and authentic quality guaranteed, you can trust that you're getting a top-notch product. This vacuum cleaner features a 5-in-1 design and comes with 4 different nozzles and brushes, which means it can tackle everything from carpets to hard floors, furniture, and those tight corners that are always a pain to clean. The sound of the motor is surprisingly quiet, and the feel of the vacuum in your hand is lightweight and balanced, making it easy to maneuver into tight spaces. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's well reviewed and a popular choice among those who value convenience and versatility. One of the best things about this vacuum is that it can pick up dirt and debris with ease, leaving your floors feeling smooth and clean, and the different nozzles and brushes provide a range of textures to help get the job done. For example, the brush nozzle is perfect for getting into tight spaces and picking up pet hair, while the crevice nozzle is great for getting into tight corners and along baseboards. Whether you're cleaning up after a messy pet or just need a quick pick-me-up, this vacuum is the perfect tool for the job. It's also great for cleaning out your car, with the upholstery nozzle making quick work of dirt and stains on your seats and carpets. Overall, the KXX Cordless vacuum is a reliable and powerful cleaning ally that's sure to make your life easier, so why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.